Hello. In this demo, we will configure FortiWeb to connect to FortiGSLB. A customer has a web application deployed in multiple data centers for redundancy. Protecting the application are FortiWeb web application firewall gateways, deployed in each data center. The customer wants to use FortiGSLB to load balanced traffic across the data centers. Let's review how to set up FortiWeb to quickly integrate and publish the application on FortiGSLB. First, let's enable the one-click GSLB server in the server policy. After configuring the necessary settings in the server policy, activate the one-click GSLB server and set the host name and domain name. Now click OK. After enabling one-click GSLB server in the server policy, users have the choice to either input a specific public IP address for their FortiWeb device or leave the input field empty. In instances where no IP is manually entered, especially when FortiWeb is directly exposed to the Internet, the system adeptly forwards the device's associated public IP to FortiGSLB automatically. This ensures seamless integration and operational efficiency, streamlining the global server load balancing process without necessitating direct IP address configuration efforts from the user. After configuring the server policy, to enable the FortiGSLB Fabric Connector, click on the FortiGSLB icon, then click the Edit button and change the connector status. Now let's log into FortiGSLB to verify that the settings were updated successfully. Here we can see that the newly created FQDN is being displayed. We can also see the Fabric Connector and the server pool themselves. The last step, the customer needs to go to their DNS service provider and edit the entries so that traffic to their domain can be directed to FortiGSLB.